Hello, I'm attorney Mark Davis, personal injury attorney with Davis & Crump Law Firm. If you took a generic drug, can you pursue a claim against the drug manufacturer? Well, unfortunately, the answer is not that clear. In some circumstances, the answer could be yes, but in many others, it could be no. Our U.S. Supreme Court decided a few years ago that generic drug companies have what we call immunity, meaning that someone who has taken a generic drug and is injured by that drug cannot pursue a claim against the manufacturer. Again, we call that immunity. Some states, for example, California, allow for their citizens of their state to pursue a claim against a generic drug company. There are a few other states, including Vermont, that also does the same thing. Otherwise, as a general rule, if you took a generic drug, you may be prohibited from pursuing a claim for an injury arising out of the use of that drug. Now, the rationale of the U.S. Supreme Court was that the warnings that is on the generic product were actually developed by the company that made the name brand product. Unfortunately, if you're taking the generic drug, you can't pursue a claim against the company that made the original product. So if the generic drug company has immunity and you can't pursue a claim against the company that innovated or actually developed the drug, then you're left without a remedy. Again, some states, including California, have recognized this problem and actually passed laws that allow the citizens of their state to pursue a claim against the company that actually innovated or developed the drug, even though they actually took the generic version of the drug, one that was not made by the company that actually developed it. So that's some information about generic drugs and the immunity and liability that follows with the use of those drugs. There are several things ongoing now in Congress to try to change that law, which would allow generic drug companies to be responsible for the drugs that they are selling. But right now, as the law stands, they have immunity. If you have a personal injury case that you would like us to evaluate, please give us a call at the toll-free number that's on your screen or email us at info@daviscrump.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and I know we can help.
Legal Briefs was brought to you by Davis & Crump. Fighting for you is what we do.